Hello there, there's something I want to talk about, which is the price gap. A lot of beginner might not know this thing, or they must have not come across this thing before now, right? That is why I want to get this thing into your head. Especially this price gap happens wherever there's a major news, wherever there's a economic turbulence in the market, like the Iran war and the US war, you understand? So this thing coupled together, and it gave rise to price gap on the charts majority of the time. So, and how do you trade this gap when it appear on your chart? So let me show you how to trade price gap. So you can see in this scenario, the market was moving towards the upside, you understand? So whenever the market is trying to open the next day again, you'll see that there's a price jump from this place to this point, you understand? There's a price jump from this place up down to this place, you understand? So the market open around this place. I'm now sitting here, you understand? So as a trader, how do you want to trade this type of price action? If you want to trade this type of price action, you want to have this belief that 80% of the time the price gap always do get filled, you understand? So price normally pull back into this price gap again, you understand? You see the market printing another candle to form a closure of the gap, you understand? So 80% of the time you see the market filling this gap to the upside, you understand? So that is how you should trade the gap. Whenever there's a gap, have it in mind that the price will likely continue in the opposite direction to fill the gap, you understand? Let's go to the board. Let me show you a real life example. Let's go to the chart. Let me show you a real life example. This is Euro JBP USD. This is JBP USD. What can you see? The market closed here on Friday, you understand? On getting to Monday, which is Monday morning, getting to Monday morning today, we discovered that the market shoot down from this level all the way to this level. So this was the place that the market start opening from. You understand? And of course, what do you expect? The market eventually push towards the gap until the gap is filled. Look at where the gap is now. It is filled completely, and it is tapping into a supply zone. So now it is time you can now decide to do whatever you want to do with the price. But then you want to wait for the price to give you your price action, give you a confirmation if you want to sell or if it want to go buy. You understand? It is from this level that you take your direction, but have it at the back of your mind that this thing works.